Minor seventh chords add beauty to ordinary minor triads, and they're found in so many different styles of music like jazz, Latin, contemporary, R&B, neo-soul. And in today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to construct a minor seventh chord, how to play its inversions, how you can take the left-hand root and change that to create new chords, and how to use it in improvisation. This quick tip is so much fun, I can't wait to get started, so let's begin. All right, step number one to learning about minor seventh chords is construction, or how they are put together. First of all, a minor chord or a minor triad consists of a minor third from C to E flat, and then a major third from E flat to G. That's a minor chord right there. So to make it a minor seventh chord, what we do is we just add another minor third on the top, from the fifth to the flat seven, like that. So a minor seven chord consists of a minor third, a major third, and a minor third. Step number two is to take a simple chord progression and try some of these minor seven chords. So let's do the chord progression C minor, G minor to F minor, or minor 1, minor 5, minor 4. Now to make those into seventh chords, again, we simply add a minor third to the top of the fifth, right? So there's the C minor 7, then we go to G minor 7, again with the F on top, or the minor third, and then F minor 7, again with the E flat on top, or the minor third. And that's a fun way to practice. It gives you a nice groove. You can just play through that 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of a funky groove too. You could add a little bit of rhythm. Already it sounds so much hipper than just playing regular minor chords. If you're enjoying today's quick tip, hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for more great content just like this. A great way to practice minor seventh chords is, rather than just doing it in the root position, is to try them in different inversions. And so if we take a C minor 7 and we play it in the first inversion, that means the third is on the bottom like this, 3, 5, 7, root. Then we go to the second inversion, 5, 7, root 3. And then the third inversion, which is 7, root 3, 5. First play them blocked like this. Then try them broken or detached like this. Try that with all your minor chords and you'll be golden. One cool way to look at minor seven chords is as a triad over a root. Let me explain. So if we have a C minor 7 chord, right? And I put the root in my left hand, and then in my right hand I just play the 3, the 5, the 7. I have an E flat major triad over C. So one way to quickly get to a minor 7 chord is to play the root, which is C, go up a minor third, which is E flat, and then play a major triad. So that would be E flat major over C, or C minor 7. If we went to F minor 7, we do the same thing. We go F in the left hand, we go up a minor third to A flat and play an A flat major triad. Pretty cool, right? Let's go to B flat. You can go around the circle of fifths. So root, go up a minor third to D flat, play a D flat major triad. We'll do one more. Go to E flat minor 7. Play the root in the left hand, the right hand, go up a minor third to G flat, and play a G flat major triad. So that can be a nice way to get to the sound of a minor 7 chord without having to think about root 3, 5, 7, is just to use that trick. And by the way, if you'd like to get the downloadable sheet music and backing track from today's quick tip, please click on the link below. Another cool thing about minor 7 chords is that if we take a minor 7 chord in the right hand, but if we change the bass note, it can change the quality of the chord. So let's take C minor 7 for example. Now in the left hand, rather than playing a C, play an E flat. Now what do we have? We have an E flat 6 chord. Or what about if I play an A flat in my left hand? Now we have an A flat major 9. Or what if I play a D flat? I'll play the root and the third of a D flat, and I play that C minor 7. Now what do I have? That's pretty, right? It's a D flat major 13, sharp 11. How about if I put an F in the bass? Now I have what's called a sus chord, or an F9 sus. So there are a bunch of ways to take a simple shape in the right hand of a minor 7 chord and simply change the root to change the color of the chord. Step number 3 are some essential exercises you can use to learn how to improvise using minor 7 chords. So we're going to take a simple chord progression similar to the one we did earlier, but we're going to add one more chord. We have a C minor 7, we're going to go up to a G minor 7, go down a half step to F sharp minor 7, and then to F minor 7. It's a really hip chord change. We have this 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 1, 2, kind of in a funk groove. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, 1, 2, a 3, 4. So we're going to use this particular groove, and I'm going to show you 3 improv techniques of how to improvise over this chord progression. For a deeper dive into minor 7th chords, you can check out the course entitled Minor 7th Chord Exercises at pianowithjonny.com. Improv technique number 1 uses arpeggiated minor 7th chords like this. Up with a C minor 7, up with a G minor 7, then back down with an F sharp minor 7, and then up with an F minor 7. So it sounds like this. Let's try it with the track. Two more times. Yeah. Improv technique number 2 is using the pentatonic scale. So for C minor 7, the pentatonic scale would be this. The 5-note scale, G minor, same thing. F sharp minor, same. And then F minor, same. So again, the pattern is root, 3, 4, 5, flat 7, and then back down. And the pattern for improvisation goes like this. Let's try it with the track. Let's do it 2 more times. Yeah. Improv technique number 3 is using triads for improvisation. So for example, C minor 7 we mentioned is also like an E flat triad, right? And then G minor 7 is like a B flat triad. F sharp minor 7 is like an A triad. F minor 7 is like an A flat major triad. So we have this. Pretty cool, right? Let's try that with the track. Two more times. All right. Thanks so much for attending this quick tip on minor 7th chords. I hope you learned a lot. Go ahead and practice those, have fun with those, improvise, come up with your own lines, and enjoy those minor 7th chords. Until the next time, see you soon, everyone. So long.
Hey, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the lesson, please let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to check out pianowithjonny.com. We have over 1,000 step-by-step lessons for all playing levels where you'll learn your favorite songs, styles, and how to improvise at the piano. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.